The use of shaky camera techniques significantly enhances the illusion of reality, effectively immersing viewers in the experience as if they are witnessing actual events unfold in real time. This method is fundamentally crucial in modern storytelling, as it deepens the connection between the audience and the narrative. Moreover, the unpredictable nature of wildlife is vividly highlighted through dramatic encounters, such as a tiger unexpectedly becoming prey to a crocodile. This stark juxtaposition not only showcases the rawness of nature's chaos but also illustrates the brutal realities of survival in the animal kingdom. In addition to these dramatic moments, bizarre scenarios, like a lion standing on a moving truck, challenge our conventional understanding of reality. Such extraordinary situations stimulate curiosity and provoke questions about how these events could feasibly occur, inviting viewers to reconsider the limitations of their imagination. Transitioning from these astonishing visuals, the portrayal of wild animals in simulated environments accentuates the complexities of nature. Here, technology acts as a mirror, mimicking real-life interactions in unexpected ways that further engage the audience and deepen their appreciation for the intricate relationships within ecosystems. Additionally, the chaos that erupts in a shopping mall scene serves as a poignant reminder of how technology can elicit strong emotional responses. This illustrates the potent impact of realistic visual effects in storytelling, as viewers become engrossed in the unfolding drama and the sheer unpredictability of the situations presented. Within this framework, the concept of courage emerges, suggesting that true bravery is found in loyalty rather than mere physical strength. This idea adds a significant layer of depth to the narrative, demonstrating how technology can enrich the stories we tell and the values we convey. Furthermore, the unexpected bravery of a house cat confronting a lion starkly emphasizes the unpredictability of animal behavior, particularly when it comes to defending their territory. This reinforces the notion that courage can be found in even the smallest of creatures, challenging our perceptions of size and strength. As we reflect on the interactions between humans and animals, such as those observed between a gorilla and an observer, we are reminded of the fragile boundary that exists between safety and danger in wildlife encounters. These moments elicit profound emotional responses, underscoring the complex dynamics at play. Finally, a dramatic standoff between a mongoose and a cobra encapsulates the inherent tension present in nature, beautifully illustrating instinctual survival skills. This intense moment reveals the raw reality of predator versus prey, offering a striking glimpse into the fierce struggles that define life in the wild.